Welcome back to another episode of Robbie's Hobbies. You may have noticed that we're no longer at my dad's shop again. We're back at the nice old homestead, and I got some cleaning done, but it already looks kind of like a mess because I already started laying stuff out. But I finally got my garage cleaned up, the floor all picked up and filled with a motor and engine hoists that I'm borrowing, and an engine stand that I'm also borrowing because I got no money, so that's fine. We're gonna borrow this stuff as long as we can, and then when they need it back, I'll have to drop it off. But in the meantime, I have a motor, I have a stand, I have a hoist to lift motor into stand. So I'm gonna do that real quick because I'm tired of having 6 inches there, and there's only an inch between the front bumper and the door, so, and yeah, more space, that'd be nice, because I just cleaned this up and had this completely empty, but now it's not so empty. So let's fix that a little bit, and then when I get on the stand, I finally start tearing this sucker down, pretty much removing anything wire. Almost all of that needs to come off, and yeah, I don't know. Taking accessories like the power steering pump. Gremlin has no power steering, so it just has manual and manual brakes. So that kind of makes it easier, so I'm gonna be excited. So that goes away. I don't even know what else, so we'll figure it out. Yeah, we'll tear the sucker down, start cleaning it up, and heck, we might even throw some paint on here at some point. That'd be neat. Let's get to it. I got my first ever Milwaukee tool. 18 volt. This sucker has more power than me on a 12-foot breaker bar, so yeah, this thing's pretty dang awesome. I can't wait to use that. And I'm going to start today by using non-impact sockets. Perfect. First, I just need to get this dang friction plate, clutch plate, whatever, doohickey mabob. I need this off, because where I'm going, we don't got some manuals. Found one. Haha. So I got this on the knuckle breaker number level 2, not 3, so we'll try that. See, that should be, I would assume, enough. Well, I should probably squirt some kind of juice on there. Let's go with the PB Blasters. Oh, sorry. All the way up, all the impacts. Yeah, push hard. There we go. That's smoking. That's a good sign. It's a good thing. Oh my goodness, this thing's just not gonna mess around. I love it. It's all you, little body. Bushing. You just fell on out of there. That's not good. Here you can see we got bolts falling and clutch plate. Sure. Not like it really matters because I'm not using any of this stuff. I wish I could be putting a manual in, but I don't got time for that stuff. If I have an automatic transmission that works, I'm going to use that. And I think it works. Probably should have tested that a little more thoroughly, but we're too deep. We're going to try it. I'll get the bracketry to mount on the backs of this, and then we'll move on. Cool. I got a bag of bolts. Should be mostly right there. Put them there so I can lose those. And some washers. Neat. Alright. So it's either going to be the small bolt or the big bolt. I don't know where to mount to what, but I guess that's one option there. Alright. Well, I need 2 small, 2 big. I think they're 3/8 and 7/16. Small ones are 3/8 at least. I should have took this dang flywheel off. Oh, new day, because I guess my bolts were a little too short, so I had to get some longer ones. Stores were closed by the time I knew that, so. And I realized that I got my bracket all set up to bolt in, but my flywheel is going to be in the way, so I'm going to do some kind of marking. I'm hoping there's like a pin. Get out of there, Lenny. Hey, careful. Watch it. I'm watching. But I'm hoping that there's a pin or something for alignment on this flywheel thing, because that'd be neat. Otherwise, I have no idea how to tell. Lenny's just checking out the motor, seeing if it's going to be up to par. So far, it's passing, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, we'll zip this off, hopefully. Try this Ooga Dooga 3000, see if that gets it off. It should be able to. Otherwise, I can't remember if they use red Loctite and might need to heat this. I don't know. I don't have much for heat, so did notice that I got one bolt here that's like partially backed out already though, so that's not. Just a little bit, not by a lot. But the other ones are actually all the way down. That one's not, so something. Maybe that's why they were having transmission issues and they didn't want to sell me the transmission. Or maybe it's something else. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see if we can figure this out. Alright, let's get this done. Oh, I forgot to mark it. Let's put like some kind of marking or something. I don't know how to mark this right now, so I'm just gonna go right there. And there, sure. Something like that, so I'm not gonna rotate the motor for now, and that will line up for now. See how this does. Alright, right out. Fine thread, makes sense. That one was definitely just loose. Milwaukee says no problem. I've been living in a cave. That one's got no threads, so that's not good. So one has no threads, one was loose. Ah! Perfect. So there's no pins. Lenny, it's okay, buddy. I'm here with you. If that means anything to you, I don't know. Oh, man. This thing's getting lighter by the minute. Take this silly thing off. Yeah, they did freeze plugs on this. That's a newer freeze plug. This may be a good motor. That'd be cool. Huh. Now I can put this thing on. Got it bolted up. Got the bracket shimmed up so it should be better. I don't know what I'm doing. Hopefully this works out somehow. I don't know what I'm doing at all. Sure. On that. Get this on some of the wheels. good. This is gonna be a fun time, I tell you. Sure. Well, we got her up. We got the floor cleared out a little bit so I can actually walk around in here again. So that's nice. I'm going to start by taking off some of these front stuff because junk hoses, they're gonna need that. Power steering needs to come off. Strip some of this down. We just don't need all this stuff. Might as well start with it somewhere. Lighten up the load too, because I really don't want to break this. I don't think this engine stand would break, but if it did, that would not be good, because it's not mine. We'll do the right thing and the actual right thing and take some of this weight off. What if I needed that nut for something? Does that ever happen to you guys? You find bolts and nuts in places you didn't remember? I'm starting to wonder if I needed that. Who knows? Got through with it without it, so. There. Oh, you're snagged on. This guy, whoever helped rewire a bunch of this, you can tell it's been rewired because none of it's in a loom. They either use green or black. No need to make actually identifying wires. You just, they all can be the same. It doesn't really matter, I guess. A lot better. A lot more manageable now. Here's just a bolt and a vacuum line. That's fine. Well, she's a lot more stripped down. A lot more grease is exposed. I think that's where I'm gonna leave it for now, though. It's gotta be lighter. By a little bit at least. No wire on top. Or not no wire, but all that excess wire is removed. Oh, there's not a whole lot left on her now. Looks pretty good. We'll go with that for now. I'll call it a night for now and get relaxed. Have a short night till work in the morning. Till next time, I guess. Yeah, I guess that's where we're gonna leave it for now. And yeah, we'll catch back to it when I get some more free time. Hopefully this weekend here. I'll get started on the rest of this stuff. I really could use another power wash. So if the weather's nice, I'll do that. But I'm not sure at this moment. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, looks a lot better. A lot more like a V8 now. I like it. Excited. Heck yeah. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Take her easy.